Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I love transformation. So today I want to show you my new project, the latch hooking. This is a courtesy from my mother-in-law. She gave this as a gift for me, and this new year I really tried to finish it, and finally after 2 weeks I've done it. Yes, and I want to show you how I did it, and you will really enjoy it. So this is the whole pack of the latch hook project that we have. So we're going to open this pack, and we will see what's inside of this pack. Okay, so we have here the latch hook, and then all these yarns with different colors. Then all with the spins, some thread we can use after when we finish the project. So we have this instruction guide, and also we have this latch hook rag. So we can see there are lots of different colors. So this corresponds as well with different colors of this yarn here. We have the color guide backs here, and we can put the colors there. So I can make an example first. So I will just put my latch hook here, and then I will wrap the yarn like this, and then just put like that, and then just pull it through, and it's done. Okay, so this I'm just showing you some of my work each day. I just took photos of that each day, and you can see the increasing lines I did. I hope you like this video, and you can try it yourself too, and you can buy one also in Amazon, as I can maybe put some of the links below, some of the stores online that you can use and check. And see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.